TZ1 calf posterior leg mobility matrix. We're going to go with a feed out position. And that TZ1, we want to be able to demonstrate getting eversion of the rear foot. We're going to start with that rear foot and that foot in an inverted position so that we have more room to get some eversion. And we're going to use a rocker step on the wedge to be able to do that. So we're in an inverted position, back heel is off the ground. We're going to be shifting, and as we get the right foot planted on the wedge, the right knee is going to drive towards the big toe as both hands drive inside the big toe and straight ahead. We're then going to progress to reaching on a 45-degree angle in sync to the left, still continuing with our rocker step right here and allowing that knee to drift with us to the left. And we're then going to go medial with the reach. We're in sync, opposite side at 90 degrees. Feed out progressions for TZ1 calf mobility and leg mobility. We have a frontal plane and transverse pendulum swing. The wedge is positioned. We're positioned with the right lead TZ1 leg in sync, or inverted so that we have more room and space to get eversion. And we're going in sync with our upper extremity driver. And we're going with a heel rock. So as we shift our weight forward, right foot gets flat, right arm is swinging side to side like a pendulum on a clock. And transverse plane driver, as we sink in, rocker step, the right arm is going to pivot around the trunk and the body, swinging in sync to the left. We will then use a bilateral upper extremity top-down driver, right arm in the transverse plane, left arm in the frontal plane to progress our rotation at the foot and the ankle in the transverse plane and in the frontal plane. So with our rocker step, as we sink down, right arm is going to rotate and reach 45 degrees to the left. Left arm will reach overhead to the right, opposite side. Call this an in sync type 1 motion right here. And go with the rocker step. And in sync, we'll go 90 degrees, opposite side, and medial with our rotational top-down driver.